Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install LibreOffice instead of Office 365 programs like Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint. If you don't have the money to buy Office 365 programs, so you should download and install LibreOffice, which is free and it's open source, offline access, and compatible with most Microsoft Office file formats. LibreOffice includes Writer, Calculator, Impress, Draw, Math, and Base for database. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Open your browser and type LibreOffice download, and yeah, this is the official website where you can download LibreOffice. Okay, and here you can choose your operating system. It is for Linux, for Mac, and for Windows available. So you have to choose your operating system and click on download. I have already downloaded LibreOffice, so I'm going to minimize my browser and I'm going to download folder to install it. Okay, as you can see here, LibreOffice, open it, and LibreOffice, just drag and drop on the application folders. That's how you can install LibreOffice on your Mac OS, or it's different on Windows, but on Mac you can install it like that. So it has been successfully installed on my Mac OS. So close it, and go to Launchpad. As you can see here, I can search LibreOffice. It has been already installed. So open it. Okay. Click open. You have to wait. As you can see, it has been opened. This is an alternative of Office 365 like Word, Excel, Access. Click on Writer, and this is working like Word. Okay, see, as you can see, you can type everything. It is free and you can do many things with that. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. If you are new here, please please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.